back to my channel. I hope everyone is having an absolutely great day. I know I am really excited, you guys. This subscription is a little bit different. This one is for my son. He actually does not know that he's getting it, so I'm going to unbox it with you guys and show you and tell you about it, and then when he gets home from school today, I'm gonna surprise him. Yay! Mommy award. So anyway, thank you for being here. Thank you for watching the video. If you are new, please do subscribe. We do lots of unboxing, review videos, haul videos, all kinds of fun stuff. And I do have a 1,000 subscriber giveaway going on, so once you have subscribed, please do enter. The link will be below. And on September 30th, you could win this great prize package. I will make sure to link up above the video that will show you most of what is in the prize package, because quite a few things have been added since, and they continue to be added. So come September 30th, there's no telling what's in there. But let's get to the video. So this is a monthly subscription. It is Slime Box Club, and it is normally $29.99 a month, but I found a code and I will share with you guys if it is still valid. That I will double check if it is still valid, and if it is, I will make sure to link it down below, and it will get you your first month for free. You just pay $6.95 for shipping, so that's pretty good on a $30 box. So here's the box. Slime Box Club. So, like I said, I will make sure to link their website down below, and if I can find that code, like I said, if it's still valid, make sure to put that down for you guys as well. So, we open it. It's actually rather heavy, and it looks like this. There is a card. Take that to the side for a second, and then you see this, all this goodness. So what we're gonna do is put it down and we're gonna read. So it just says, does it tell us what is in here? No. I think it's, you get 3 slimes a month plus all kinds of other stuff. So it says ages 8+. Parents, please supervise children closely. If you have a child and they've played with slime, you know all of this. It's not edible, so don't eat the slime. If it says, is your slime too sticky? Simply add the magic activator. Is your slime too stiff? It says the warmth from your hands will help soften, or a tiny dash of lotion. So that is great. And then obviously, you know, they come in their own containers, which is great because I'm not having to, you know, sit at the kitchen table and have Christopher make all of this slime and make a mess, a huge mess, and then put it all like in my Tupperware. So I love that this is pre-made slime that he can play with, and it is already in a container. So that is fabulous. So let's go ahead and dive into the box. I'm gonna look at some of these other items to kind of figure out what they are. Okay, he's going to love this. This is a candy. It's just a gummy candy, but you guys, how cute, sorry, how cute is this? It's like a little hot dog. So my son is gonna just love that. And then there's like a little temporary tattoo, a Dum Dum sucker, which Christopher loves. Some kind of Tootsie Roll, Fruities, Fruit Punch candy. Some kind of like little pink rabbit squishy. I may actually put this to the side for my niece because I know she would like this. Christopher, probably not so much. And there are 3 little shovels. You stir your slime, play with it. And then here we have the magic activator. So if you need to, and that's actually a really good size. If you need to, you know, freshen up your slime, you can do that. And some fun glitter. So if you want to add the glitter, you can. I love that because obviously this box to me is not a girl box or a boy box. This is a box, you know, for any child. And I love that you can see, there's still quite a bit in here. The squigglies, we have like blue, pink, yellow. So it's definitely not geared more towards girl or boy. It's definitely, they kind of cover the base for both, which is great. So we have one other item here that is not slime, and I'm assuming it's a bath bomb. So, oh, it smells good. It smells really good. It kind of has like a citrusy orange smell. Christopher doesn't take baths, and even if he did, he's a boy, and let's face it, he's not gonna care about a bath bomb. So I'm probably gonna throw this in the giveaway. So there'll be a bath bomb. I think there's already 1 or 2 in there, but we'll put another one. So giveaway. So let's get to the slime, you guys. All right, so we're gonna go with this one first. It's the smaller one. It says caramel corn. How appropriate. Oh, goodness. Oh! Okay, and I can see, oh yeah, that's some slime. Okay, but if you can see in there, it's got like the foam. Get back over there. Don't slide out. So it's got the foam balls. So I think he is going to love this one. It just smells like a regular slime. And this is the cute little label. So that was slime number 1. Slime number 2, mint chip crisp. So it's a bigger. And see, this is what I'm talking about. Like, ooh, ooh, goodness. You guys. Okay, there we go. So this, sorry, I smell everything. This is just a green slime, a mint green slime, and I can see that it has, you can see here, little specks of like glitter to make like mint chocolate chip. Oh, this is definitely more, it almost feels bubbly, like foamy in a way. So either way, I know he will have a great time with these. So we have one more slime on top of all these other great things that were in this box. Ooh, this says mermaid in the USA. You guys, might be, oh, you guys, I can see. If you look right, there's a mermaid tail in there. But otherwise, it's like blue slime. Obviously, you could see that. Now, this one has a safety seal. Oh, goodness. That is some slime. Woo! But it is really super pretty. And I think he is going to have a great time with that. I'm going to put that safety seal back on there for now. So, there we go. So that is great, and I can definitely see, you know, obviously it is, I have slime on my fingers. It is a blue slime, and I can see fine red glitter and then like silver star glitter in there. And then, like I said, I see a mermaid tail right here. So again, he's gonna love this. So we got 2 big fun slimes. We got a like medium-sized fun, because it's got the foam balls in there, slime. And then we got, you know, he got some candy. We got the activator if we need it, the glitter. So, I mean, that is a great deal. And I really think he's gonna, you know, enjoy this and be surprised, because he knows that I get all of my boxes all the time. And, you know, he's had some that have come in for him, but I think he's gonna be a happy little guy today when he gets home from school and sees that he got a box. So again, I will make sure to link the website for Slime Box Club down below, and if I find that code and it is still valid, I will put that down for you guys as well if you would like to try the Slime monthly box for the Slime Box Club for $6.95. That's all you have to pay. The $29.99, nope, you get it for free. You just pay the shipping. So I will, like I said, make sure all of that information is down below, as well as the link to enter the giveaway now that we know we're adding a bath bomb. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope, you know, if that code is valid, you use it and get your kids some slime. Or you. I mean, if you're an adult and you like slime, go for it. So I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will talk with you guys at the next video. Bye.